Now, brother, again, mahalo for hanging out with me today while Davey D is on vacation. Wanted to catch up with you, if that's okay, and find out what's the scoops with Maleko. How was your holidays?
Oh, so nice. You know, this holiday, my wife and I decided we were going to go and travel, and so we did some traveling over the holiday season. Real relaxing stuff.
Nice, but I heard you started off as Santa, yeah?
Yeah, remember right before the holidays, I came in to do the show, and Diamond Head Theater, a friend of mine, Rosalind Katracha, she invited me to come and play Santa in her new production called Piney Needlesmith and the Road Less Traveled. What a great show, and what a fun part to play. I never thought I'd play Santa. But you know, I've been practicing for this my whole life,
you
right?
Stop it, you know, you stop
no
it.
padding necessary.
You look so good. You look like Fit Santa over there. That's Fit Santa.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Back on stage for the first time since before the pandemic, and really good cast, real good show.
Awesome. What else you did?
We had the Honolulu Marathon.
Yeah.
Over
you ran it?
No,
okay.
No.
Wow, Santa.
Yeah, right? We might need it to next time. But no, I've been doing the marathon for the last 25 years.
Wow.
And I've been the race announcer for the marathon,
that's
not
awesome.
running. And so I start the race, I end the race. This is us with our Japanese announcer. We announce everybody's name as they come through the finish line.
That is thousands of people.
Thousands of people. Well, we miss a few, you know.
But that means you're also up at like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Oh yeah, 1
course.
o'clock in the morning.
Oh, 1
to get
o'clock.
down there, because we start the race at 5 o'clock. This year was crazy because you can see the rain.
Yes.
So much rain at this year's race. Actually, a sad story for me. I was so wet, my wedding ring slipped off my hand at the finish line, and so I lost it. So I don't know if somebody found my ring out there, but it's a black ring with a gold bar on top.
Brother,
lost my wedding ring.
We're putting it out there into the world. We're gonna find that wedding ring.
Somebody picked it up somewhere. But,
so now I know why you took your honey to Disneyland Tokyo. We had to make up for that, right?
That's it. Yeah, it's like, come on, baby, we're going to Tokyo Disney, which was so great. We had such a great time over there. You know, I ran into all the characters, and it's less crowded than the LA Disneyland. And it was a lot more fun. Plus, we got to explore Tokyo some, do some shopping. We were there for the Fukubukuro, so I got all kinds of goodies.
Oh, you lucky guy.
Yeah, we had a good time.
That is awesome. Really, that does look like a lot of fun. What a way to come into the new year, right? Oh, yeah. Good memories, no drama.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Speaking of no drama, I just learned something. The name Karen, you know, you say Karen, what do you think?
Oh, gosh.
Right?
Entitled.
You think, I like to see the manager, right? Yeah.
I want to see your supervisor.
So that name is like, what is it, 10 years old already? Yeah. Karen has been around for a long time, but you know what? The new Zillennials, they're replacing Karen. They've changed it.
With what?
Jessica.
Jessica? No, not Jessica. I know so many good Jessicas.
Yeah, Jessica.
Are you serious?
Apparently, Karen is out, Jessica is in.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they apparently, because in like OK Boomer, like all that stuff belongs to us, the older people. So the Gen Zs, they want to do something new. So the Jessica is, she's kind of like an influencer type, clean cut, kind of lazy. Yeah.
Kind of lazy.
So that's, and so anytime you see in the comments, OK Jessica, that's that. Contenders, by the way, Ashley.
Oh, Ashley.
And Tiffany.
Yes.
But Jessica wound up winning out on TikTok.
I know so many good Jessicas. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Yeah, one thing for sure, it'll never be Lena Girl or Maleko.
That's right. We're good. We're good. That's true. That won't ever be us. But could you become a human drone, brother?
Oh, what do you... I didn't even understand what that question means.
Okay, well, check this out, okay? So one of our team, she's a videographer and she's our content creator. Her name is Janice, and she's been studying for her drone license, and apparently it's a lot to learn. So I saw this and I told her if she doesn't pass the test, she can always do this.
Wow, check him out.
Yeah, how's his moves? You see, so he has some kind of choreography, and it makes it look like drone footage.
It does. It does. He looks
so
ridiculous,
good.
but the video looks good.
He does.
Good. If I see a KITV videographer out there doing stuff like this, I'm going to know exactly.
Janice.
I'm going to be like, great job, Janice.
Absolutely. So, family, what's the scoops with you? What do you think about Jessica being the new Karen? Not fair, right? Or the human drone choreography. Could you do that?
Let us know by sending us an email to islandlifelive@kitv.com, or you can post a comment directly on our YouTube video, on our YouTube page. Just search KITV.
That's right.